the legend is back, and it's angrier than ever. The 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is here to prove that raw American muscle is far from dead. With an aggressive stance, a monstrous engine, and cutting-edge technology, Dodge is making sure this beast dominates the streets and the drag strip. Buckle up, because today on Motor Hub, we're diving deep into the ultimate modern muscle car, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat. This latest iteration of the Hellcat isn't just about looks, it's about attitude. The bold front fascia, menacing LED headlights, and signature Hellcat badging make it instantly recognizable. Dodge has refined the aerodynamics, giving it a more planted feel while maintaining that signature wide and aggressive look. And yes, the air intakes and functional hood scoop? They're not just for show. They're there to keep that supercharged beast under the hood breathing properly. Now, let's talk about the heart of this monster. Under the hood, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat packs a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, cranking out a mind-blowing 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just power, it's a statement. Whether you're launching off the line or rolling down the highway, this car makes sure you feel every bit of that raw muscle. With an improved cooling system and a more refined supercharger, the Hellcat delivers relentless performance without breaking a sweat. And what's power without control? Dodge has made sure the Hellcat isn't just about straight-line speed. The upgraded suspension, wider tires, and enhanced traction control make sure you can actually put all that power down. Plus, the optional all-wheel drive system, yes, you heard that right, gives drivers a level of grip never before seen on a Hellcat. So whether it's the drag strip or the twisty backroads, this machine can handle it all. Step inside, and you'll find that Dodge hasn't just focused on brute force. The interior is a perfect blend of modern tech and classic muscle car DNA. A new 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while the Uconnect 5 system ensures seamless connectivity. And let's not forget those Alcantara-wrapped seats. Not only do they hold you in place during hard launches, but they also make sure you're riding in comfort. And for those who love to push the limits, the Hellcat still comes with launch control, line lock, and multiple driving modes to fine-tune performance. Want to tear up the track? Switch it to track mode. Need something a little more civil for daily driving? The street mode keeps things controlled while still giving you that Hellcat growl. So, who is the 2025 Dodge Challenger Hellcat for? It's for the purists, the thrill seekers, and those who refuse to settle for anything less than unfiltered power. While the world moves towards electrification, Dodge is making sure the Hellcat legacy lives on. It's more than just a car, it's a symbol of American muscle at its peak. If you're a fan of raw horsepower, aggressive styling, and a car that refuses to blend in, the 2025 Challenger Hellcat is calling your name. Let us know in the comments, would you take the wheel of this beast? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic car content. This is Motor Hub, and we'll see you in the next one.